Kate Emily Johnson, I'm proud to take you as my wife. Growing up, I looked forward to nothing more than seeing you on the bus and hearing about your day. And now, over a decade later, nothing has changed. Just hearing your voice still makes my day, regardless of where I might be in the world. Kate, I promise to make you happy and make you laugh, even if it's at the expense of my dignity.
Always.
I promise to protect you from butterflies.
Good.
And any other ferocious predators.
My dearest Matt, you are my best friend, my closest confidant, my greatest annoyance, and the love of my life. You make me laugh like no one else can, and being with you makes me happier than I could have ever imagined. I vow to love you unconditionally with all my heart, even when you're trying to annoy me. I promise to never take life too seriously, so that we can always laugh together at the stupid things that no one else finds funny. And even though you're a fully grown man, I promise to give you back scratches each night to send you off to sleep.
Explosions like a heartbeat. Yeah, my mind's keen rushes of emotion. Now let's do it again. There's sweetness and adventure without a venture. TV's got your mind stuck on good reality. We are young, 'cause our soul is warm. Life's much more if we live it up.
Matt and Kate would like to welcome their family and friends to this special day. Kate and Matt have told me how special you all are to them and how pleased they are that you could be here today to share their happiness with them as you witness the most sacred commitment two people can make.
Some say I'm living in the moment. I say motion, I ain't got no potion, but we can touch the sky.
I promise to continue to talk to you about aeroplanes, as I know that's secretly your favourite topic.
Love it.
I will always be loyal to you, and I will always be there for you, unconditionally. And for what it's worth, I would have always waited.
Aww.
I vow to continue to love you, for better, for worse, in sickness and in health, and through all of space and time.
I vow to trust you, nurture you, and cherish you always, and to support you wholeheartedly in whatever life throws at us. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you by my side. I love you.
Love you too.
Needless to say, Melanie and I and all of Kate's family are delighted that Matt is now officially a part of it, just as we are very pleased to have Matt's family as our new in-laws. May I ask you all to join me in congratulating this lovely young couple and in wishing them every happiness throughout their future life together. Please raise your glasses to Matt and Kate.
I'm sure you all know the Kate Matt story, as it's been going on for decades, but I'll repeat it for the people that might not be so familiar. Naturally, to match our sort of angelic personas, we met at children's church. But it wasn't until we started playing the trombone and violin at an old folks' home, so, you know, they're charitable, that we finally entered the renowned friend zone. It was there that I stayed for a good 12 years. sit with each other on the bus. But it was one day that I was sitting on the bus and I looked across at Kate, and she was in a penguin uniform, for those that know St Aidan's, and had her bag on her lap and smiling away, that I thought, I quite like this girl.
To the thirsting ocean, I wanna roll the dice with you by the river. We don't look back.
I've known Matt for 15 years now. We first met in grade 8 at BBC, and we've been good mates ever since. But I've actually known Kate longer than Matt, about 20 years now. We lived on the same street and went to Middle Park's day school together, and dated briefly in grade 4. But obviously that didn't work out.
Eyes away from her, and so we walked away to our visions of the
And I guess most guys go for sort of, romance, fancy dinners and all that sort of stuff, but I just went for persistence and badgering, so paid off.
We don't look back. This is all we had.
Matt and Kate, we're so glad this day has finally come. We have no doubt that you're going to have a long and happy life together, no matter where you are in this world. Kate, you look amazing. I wish you didn't dump me in grade 4.
But joking aside, I don't know what I'd do without Kate. She makes me laugh like no one else, and she's all I think about when I go away. And most importantly, she likes Star Trek and Battlestar Galactica, so it's always a big plus.